Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 107 of Building the Batmobile, the 1966 TV series classic. In this issue, I am going to be continuing with I'm bringing back the hood, the front bit, the bonnet. If you're in the UK, I think I've converted to you calling it a hood, anyway. But it's still a boot, not a trunk. I don't know. It's very strange. Anyway, the Bloody Tower is episode 107, season 3, on December the 7th, 1967. It features Lady Penelope Pea Soup. Again, it's another British themed Tower of London. It's the one where Batman and Robin disguise themselves as beefeaters. I'm sure it's a perfect disguise. It won't just be them wearing that and a funny hat. That will be exactly what it is. I don't know quite what that is. Yeah. The Master Race is the comic from this issue. And then we're in Batman 21, Part 2, Urban Legends. Red Hood, Grifter, Harley Quinn, and Poison Ivy. And the Outsiders, apparently, as well. I don't know who they are. The Batman 89. Look back at that. The long Halloween special. Yeah, feel free to pause and read all the words if you like. But I'm here for the building, which is what we've got here. The mechanism for the hood. It's got a strange extra bit that goes into it. So we've got to build some hinges, attach the hinges to this internal piece, and then fix that to the hood, which we got way back in issue 1-ish. Was it 1? It's certainly very early. But yeah, that's what we got, and that's what I shall be building. So let me clear this out of the way and get straight to it. So this is what we've got. I dug out the hood from before, which is looking lovely still. And we're going to be fitting a thing to the inside of that. This is the thing. I've already divided this into the left and right components, although I haven't sorted out the screws. I need some TM screws. What I'll do is I'll make one side, and then I shall do the other side behind the scenes, as it were. So I'm going to need that bit and that bit. The shape piece of that goes onto the inside of that, like that, with the screw going in the top piece. Let's get that through there and into there. So we're ended up with a hinge like that. Fair enough. That's what we've got. That's what we got. So I need to do the same again with that one. So I'll put that over there so I know what I've got to do. Then this is fitting onto here with that way round. That one. Wait, what's going on there? That's the hinge piece. So that's the hinge piece like that. And that's going onto there with an AM screw, which is one of these. Again, I'll get another one out for that one in a minute. I've got more in there, so we're obviously going to be using more than that. So that's going through there and into there. I'm not entirely certain what this bit is. It's sort of an internal piece to the hood, but I don't know quite why. But that goes on there like that. And we do need another AM screw for each side, because we're going to be attaching that bit to it. Again, this is going on the outside. The screw comes from the inside of that. So we're going through there. If I can get that just right. And into that. Okay, so that's that. So I'll do the same on the other side momentarily, but now I'm going to fit this bit to that. We need AKM screws, which are these. 2 on each side. So these hinges have got a shaped piece. The shaped piece is going down that way round. That's going in there like that. That's a thing. Okay. Let's get the other side done, because I can't do much more until I got that on there anyway. Right, actually what I'll do is I shall catch up behind the scenes with the rest of this and get this attached on there, and then join me for the rest of it in just a sec. Right, there we go. That's the other side connected up there as well. So both of those are done. This then needs to attach to our hinges with those bits there. Move those out of the way again. So we've got those to go in there. Again, 2 screws either side. Like that. Final part of today is going to be fitting the other side of these extra hinge pieces. If I can get this lined up. Come on, you know you want to go. Why is that not lining up properly? Come on, almost there. Through there and into there. I'll get all of these tightened up after the fact. Just trying to figure out what this bit's for. It's at the front of the car and it's an extra hinge piece, but I don't know. I don't quite get it. So we've got 4 more screws to fit, and they are going through the hinge pieces to hold them down onto here. So for some reason this has got an extra piece to the hood. I don't know why. It's a bit strange for me. I don't quite understand how that's a thing. But yeah, I'll get the other side connected up, and that's what we got. I don't know. I don't understand it, but I'm sure it will become. For now, thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you for more very soon. Bye bye for now.